frogs were around. Four little frogs played by a tree. One saw a butterfly and hopped off with glee. He chased and twirled round and round, but only three little frogs were found. Three little frogs jumped high with cheer. One found a puddle and said, "Look here." He splashed and swam, feeling so free. Now only two little frogs could we see. Two little frogs sat near the grass. One saw a turtle and let out a gasp. He followed slow, step by step. Now only one little frog was left. One little frog looked left and right. His friends were gone, oh what a sight. He called out loud, "Where did you go?" But all he heard was the river's flow. One jumped off. One little frog was chasing a bee. Another was climbing up a tree. One found a mushroom round and small. Another got lost behind a waterfall. Then came the rain. The raindrops fell, pitter patter plop. Each little frog heard the sound and stopped. One by one they turned around and hurried back with a hop, hop, hop. The sun came out, the sky turned blue. All five frogs were back, it's true. They hugged and cheered, hooray, hooray, then splashed in the pond to laugh and play.